So we're getting ready to head to Flaming Gorge. The roads have been pretty rough today. Had a big storm come in last night. Heard my rod back going the drink. And then we got a fish on. Let's see here. Gotta get that looser out of the water. Hey, we got a burbot, people. Nice. Sweet. That is just what we're shooting for here. That is the ugliest fish known to man. Ling, burbot, freshwater cod, whatever you want to call him. I'm excited. He's not a huge one, but that's gonna tell us we got him in the area now. Okay, you got a little bloody mouth there. Haha, that's a burbot, baby. See how slimy they are and curl right up. Got a little thing right on the bottom of their chinny chin. I think it's so cool. I hope we can see that. Anyways, they're just all muscle, solid muscle. So we'll rebait and on to the next one. Haha. There we are. Outside. Bells are ringing. Yay. That's a nice one. Recognize that lure? That is the one we made, buddy. Anyways, he attacked it and got it good. You can see how pretty those fish are. I don't know if there's any other fish I've enjoyed catching more than a burbot. So I'm trying to jig one off the bottom. I was jigging a little bit and saw our bottom light up. They might not be overly aggressive tonight, we'll see. But I'll put my bait closer to the bottom this time. Oh, I just set it right back down and got him again. See if we can keep him on this time. There we go. He is on the ice. Okay, same size fish. Same size fish. Here we go. There we go. Got another burbot. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a great night. Awesome stuff. We'll just toss him out. Oh, yeah, buddy. I'm excited now. That could be a sign of things to come. I like these rod holders I built. Built them out of PEX tubing for plumbing. And they're nice because when you get a bite, you can just quick snap it up. Nothing holding onto your rod. A little risky if you're not watching your rod, you don't want to leave it in there, but for what we're doing, I love it. There we go, got him. Oh yeah. Oh man, he's got some pull to him. Oh yeah, nicer fish. Good deal. So anyway, that's a nice fish. I mean, you know, compared to those other two. Loving it, folks, loving it. This is just money in the bank, I tell you. Okay, so there we are. I don't know if you can see that little thing on his chin. Probably not, but look at that. Just the, I love the colors on these things. See if I can get the light moved over and we can see the colors on him. They're just a beautiful fish. I'd love to catch them here, 30, 40 incher and put it on the wall. Be a good conversation piece. We will drop this other one down. We're gonna knock them dead tonight. So the wind has died down and I'm gonna go put some glow sticks on my rods outside, because now I can leave the door of my tent open, the front door, and watch them. So I'm fishing for crawdads on my camera. Isn't that fun? We'll see if we can get him. He's not too happy with me. There he comes. He's not happy. Okay, I see him. Ooh, he's a nice one. Let's see if I can get my net here. Would you look at that, folks? Pretty crazy. He's not too happy with me. Huh? Might have to use him for bait. Yeah, basically what I do here though is put that in there and push the button and lights it up. So we got another one of these bad boys on the line. Oh, there he is. So I'm grabbing that. Got another one. Still not let go. Weird looking creatures. Okay, so he's stripping that line. We're letting him. I'm going to click this button. We're going to drive the hook home. Come on, baby. I love doing that. Love these bait feeder reels. Got him. Good deal. He swallowed that good. And once again, that's that new jig we made. I just barely put it on. I better put another one on the other one. I mean, he swallowed it good. Golly, his tail came back and got in my fingers. Scared me to death. I'm glad to see this catching fish. So we got the RT9 going, mounted on a little round mount here on this battery box, and that way it'll run all week playing my movies that I downloaded. I think I'm going to take my boots off and lay down and watch a movie. So I just woke up hearing the sound of that rod. We'll see if it's going to go. See the tip bouncing. So he's pulling line again. I'm going to go ahead and feel weight and drive it home. Yeah, buddy. He's been playing with me for a long time. Got him. That's a good way to start the morning. Little slammer. He's a dink, but boy, he had it swallowed good.